Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicles from juice. First, select your preferred juice, whether it's orange, apple, or a tropical blend. Next, gather your popsicle molds and sticks. Make sure your molds are clean and dry, ready for the juice. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your homemade treat. Now, it's time to fill your molds. Gently pour your chosen juice into each mold, being careful not to overfill. Leave about 1/4 of an inch of space at the top to allow for expansion during freezing. Then, insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. This step is crucial for easy handling later. Once your molds are filled and sticks are in place, carefully transfer them to the freezer. Arrange them on a flat surface to prevent spills. Allow the popsicles to freeze for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. For optimal firmness and a truly solid treat, freezing them overnight is highly recommended. Patience is key here. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. To release a popsicle, briefly run the mold under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps loosen it without melting too much. Gently pull the stick, and your perfect juice popsicle will slide right out. Now, savor your refreshing, homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.